Counting your reps when you jump rope has unique benefits to it, so let's get to them. First, it's really good at skill development. When you're just counting, it allows you to work on new jump rope tricks so that you're not so hung up, stuck in your head that you messed up, so you're messing up your time, you're not jumping as long. If you're just counting, you're able to actually just work on that skill and know that that's one rep. Versus if you're doing time, you messed up and you have to pick the jump rope back up and jump as quickly as possible to catch yourself back up timing. It'll allow you to develop new jump rope tricks easier than, let's say, time jumping. By setting jump count goals, you can focus on mastering specific jump rope techniques such as double unders, crossovers. This method helps in improving your coordination and refining your skills. Counting can be highly goal-oriented. Counting jumps provide a clear target to reach, which can be a highly motivating factor and help you stay focused during those hard workouts. Having a specific goal can push you to work harder and improve your performance over time. Counting your jumps makes it easier to track your progress. Counting jumps allows you to track your progress more efficiently. As you consistently work toward increasing your jump count, you can see tangible improvements in your skill and endurance. While counting jumps can be effective for reaching a goal, it might cause you to neglect some of the importance of time-based training for building endurance and cardiovascular fitness. While counting can be great, it does have the disadvantage of you can get a little lazy on the endurance factor that jumping rope brings. By timing yourself, you have to keep the pace up to raise up your endurance to reach that time goal. While counting, you're doing it one rep at a time and you might just go a little slower and it won't give you quite the endurance workout that time jumping does. Focusing solely on jump counting can cause you to sacrifice proper form, not pay attention to what you're doing, wonder, was that 49 or was that 59? You're just kind of not focusing on the zone of jumping rope. Now, if you really want to get into great shape, you probably want a heavy jump rope. So check this video out right here and you'll get to know everything you need to know about a weighted jump rope. And as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.